Hello everyone, hope you are all well. Today I'm gonna unbox and check a new budget smartphone. This is from Lenovo, so let's check this out. So I bought this from an online store. This is actually released last year. I mean from 2018. But it's a very good configuration in this price range. So let's open it. So there is the configuration. The 3 plus 16 GB color is black. Storage is 9 GB, which is equivalent to 16 GB. Here it is, 16 GB. Lenovo A5. Designed and manufactured by Motorola Mobility LLC for Lenovo. Here is the Lenovo service and warranty assured seal, the genuine seal. Motorola logo. You know, the Motorola division is acquired by Lenovo. This is the brand new logo seal, so you have to open this first. So first, here is the phone. So let's put it aside. Check the accessories first. We see the first quick start guide. In different languages, in English, in Arabic, then there is some other languages also, and there is the eject pin tool for SIM ejecting. Then there is the data cable, and then there is the simple black earphone. There's Lenovo written there, and there is the charger, USB charger, the 3-pin AC power supply, and its output is rated at 5 volt, 2 ampere. So they are about basics and nothing else. And let's go to the phone itself. It's written in the 4000 mAh battery, 13.8 centimeter HD plus max vision display, 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and fingerprint reader. It comes in black color. It's matte black finish. Let's open this plastic. There is this power button in the right side, and the volume rocker, same right side, and the bottom side, the charging port, and the microphone, and the left port, left side, the SIM tray side, here it is, and the upper side, the 3.5 mm jack port, and the display side, here is the earpiece and the front camera and the flash. It has flash, front flash, and the sensors, and there is the rear camera and the flash and the rear microphone, and there's the fingerprint here, and there is the Lenovo logo here, and there's another sticker here. So let's open this. Power on. I hope there's some juice in the battery. Yes, there is. There's the Lenovo logo animation. First time setup. Let's test the fingerprint. So here's the UI. It's pretty smooth as it has 3 GB RAM. It's like Mi UI from Xiaomi, like no main menu. It's in the front UI, no extra menu here. It's the same UI in the front. There's some shortcut here. I'll show you the benchmark and app usage in detailed in next video. This is the first look. Let's see the camera here. There's the focus. Color quality is also good. I don't have any music here. Let's listen to some ringtones here. The speaker comes from here, which is pretty loud. It's not bad. pretty good. There's some quick shortcuts. And no bloatware here. That's a good thing. You see all the bloatwares in most of the smartphones from the brand. That's a really bad thing. And there's no bloatware here. That's a good thing. And the touch is really fast. Yeah, the touch is really fast. So I say this is a very good phone considering budget. It's very cheap price and very good phone still in 2019-20. It's a very good phone from Lenovo considering this phone. Very good battery, 4000 mAh. It has fingerprint, 13 megapixel rear camera with flash, 8 megapixel front camera with flash. I'll show you the front camera with flash. Here it is. And the display is 5.45, I guess. It was written somewhere. And 3 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. Pretty good phone. I recommend it. Considering price is somewhere around, I bought it like $87, like 7,400 taka. So I really recommend it, and thanks for watching.